thinking it's the Deep Creek. Not sure. A little bit chewed out. Someone's put some rocks in here, so it's alright. Bush bashing now. Now somewhere along here you could cross over the line. Start of the day. Got a river on there. I'm thinking it's the Deep Creek. Not sure. Something on the bank there. Oh, nice. Well, I think I'm on Deep Creek. That phone app's been pretty good. Oh yeah, Deep Creek. Cool. This is about the highest I've been up on it. Oh, I can see some mullet in there. It's a bit of life. Probably can't see them, but they're there. And the cicadas have come out to greet me. Oh, nice little spot. Full of bait, full of life. Yeah, it's cool, eh? Got a rock bar. Go for a wander. Yeah, I'd say this rock bar is the first sort of natural rock bar. Right, she's full of life. There's some big schools of mullet here. We'll go out and explore this rock bar. Ah, cicadas, shut up. Oh. Oof. Cool. There's a noticeable height difference between the two sections. That one's about half a metre higher, so that'd be pure fresh water, I reckon. You reckon that top one's pure fresh? This one would be brackish. So, yeah, interesting part of the world. If we can get out of here, work my way down to Oyster Creek. And from there on, we'll, yeah, I'm getting hot. Time for a swim, I reckon. Wouldn't be bad in here actually. But we'll go down to Oyster. Hope it's fairly clear. Got the snorkel and goggles, so have a cruise around. Might find some flathead or bream or something in there, whiting. Should be a bit of fun. But mate, this is a nice little spot. Just bring your earplugs. Cicadas. Alright, we'll scoot over to Oyster Creek. See how the water looks. I'm getting used to this map. I've got it on a sort of self-orientation thing. So it's always sort of pointing forward. Anyway, it's doing the job. Yes, this is definitely the freshwater side of the world. It's a bit dirty. Alright, not too many Ks now. Back on the coast again. Woo! Farmland. Where are we heading? Around here. Been a while since I've been up here. I got to cross the railway line, that's one thing I remembered. Sure it was in summer when I was last here. I was walking across the stinking hot railway line. But there is a little lookout here, but it's not very good. You can't see much, you know, you're pretty well, too many trees in the way really. But if you've got a drone, you'll be able to have a good look around. So here's a lookout with no view. Bit of a tease. But I can fix that problem. Yeah, a bit of a teasing view here. Thin out a few trees and you'll be able to see. So I'll go down the bottom. Oh, go away, bug. Yeah, go down the bottom there. Cross the railway line. Be able to see a bit better then. Oh, bit of a platform there. Now, last time I went down here, I remember the track was pretty well crap. Let's see if it's magically improved. That's not too bad. A little bit chewed out. Someone's put some rocks in here, so it's alright. The obligatory puddle. Hopefully it's alright. Down near the railway line. Bush bashing now. Now somewhere along here you could cross over the line. I reckon it's here. But we're not going to do that in the bike, so leave the bike here and go for a wander. Across this railway line. You'd have to be pretty unlucky that the train's coming. But you never know. That's what I remembered last time. Stinking hot, crossing the railway line. Whew. Alright, let's check her out. Bit of a breeze. Don't know how clear it's going to be. These sort of creeks. This one's landlocked at the moment. I could tell by the drone footage. But yeah, we'll just go for a swim anyway. You. Nice. I don't think the old visibility is going to be too good. Go for a wander. Just if only to cool down. Probably see something, but find out. Yeah, a few bream down there, just little fellas, come over to check me out. That's bad. Alright, wander out of here, work my way up to the Bundagen. Cross the railway line, dripping wet. Cooler now. Bike should still be there. Find out. Turn around somehow. Train come now, be interesting. Look at that. 3-point turn. Alright, we're out of here. Don't hit the trees. And yeah, go to Bundagen. Cruise into there. This bike, just cruise it in. Second gear. Just putting along. Too easy. Phone's trying to turn itself off. Alright. Rainforest awaits. Alright, half time. Grab a feed. Well, we're getting somewhere now. Yeah, not too far, just a few k's of this forestry stuff. Well, it's actually a national park. It's Bundagen National Park. I think that's how you pronounce it. So yeah, a couple more k's and we end up down at the beach again. Well, it is nice in here though. Very few people. I haven't seen anyone yet. It's in some nice forest. Alright, going in. Go for a wander and see what we can see. Probably all sorts of goodies in here. Yeah, so this is the walk. Probably go about halfway and then pop out on the beach somewhere and have a bit of a look around. That's the plan anyway. Yeah, it's pretty warm. It's supposed to be 29 degrees now, but it's just not that hot, which is good. I think the humidity's under control. But we'll go wandering. I'm not sure what I'm in for, how thick this forest is going to get. But yeah, we will check it out as we go. First sign of life, ghost crabs. Ghost crabs love sand. These types of rainforest, which they call a littoral rainforest, they only grow within 2 kilometres of the beach, or 2 kilometres of the coastline, and they only grow on beach sand. So they're a pretty rare, unique sort of thing. There used to be more up and down the coast, but yeah, developments thin that out. I think they said there's something like 0.7% remaining. So it's not much of it left. We'll wander around. See if there's, I'm sort of assuming there'll be palms and stuff mixed in. Don't know, I'll have to find out. So a little tiny staghorn I've seen at about 10 mil turns into this big boy. And then when they get too heavy, boomo. Breaks the tree, falls on the ground, but this one's still growing, still bloody, I don't know, he's pointing the wrong way, but it's green. All right, go for a little bit further. So you get sections of canopies getting a bit thicker, like in here, but apparently with these forests, they need 60–70% sort of canopy cover, but you know, in order to make a moist enough environment, I guess. 60% humidity is a normal thing. And yeah, and cicadas. Oh, here's a big ghost crab hole. There's a big crab in there. It is pretty cool. Had ghost crabs in amongst palms and beach sand as a ground base. It's getting a bit thicker, the old bush. A little bit thicker canopy going on. Alright, so what do we got? About halfway up this side one. Might keep going, it goes to that Bundagen creek. That way to a creek, probably only 400 metres. See if we can find it. Get nice banks of palms. All sorts of things now. Yeah, that first track was, couldn't see much on it, but once you get off that main one, come back a bit. Here's a different world in here. So Melaleucas. I think Kentia palm, I'm not sure. Palms. I need to Google more. Woo. All right, going down. As long as I don't go down, like crash. She's kind of steep. All right. I'm down there. Ooh, she's a mess. So we definitely have water down here. You wouldn't go swimming in it, but it's, yeah, it is a little landlocked system. Come out at Bundagen Head. Every flood it'd bust out, I'd say. At the moment, she's just a bit of a mozzie pit, so I'm getting out of here. All right, stop sweating. Let's sort of get up again. Things we do. So I ended up doing a loop. Covered in sweat now. I was saying it wasn't that hot before, but yeah, now I'm warm. So yeah, pretty well popped out back at the main road. National Parks fence. Front, the bluff. I got the bluff loop track. That was me. Woo. No, it's nice. It's a different change of scenery coming back. Yeah, different forest. Once you get back, you sort of came up about 60 or 80 metres. And yeah, went back to this more, it's a scrub. Oh, there's a couple of palms. There's one there still. Definitely different up here though. Come this far, I can't not look at the beach. There is a nice breeze down here now. Ah, that's better. All right, that's drying out the sweat. Oh, nearly sent them flying. All right, guys, now I'm really out of here. Yeah, leave a comment if you want. Thumbs up, always good. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll, yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. No idea where, somewhere. High breeze is nice.